In this video we will look at some of the 4 best drones on the market before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Potensic Atom SA. Ready to take flight? Meet the Potensic Atom SA, your best bet for a budget-friendly entry-level drone. At just 245 grams, this lightweight marvel is perfect for beginners craving portability and convenience. Its folding design allows easy storage in your pocket, making it a travel companion that won't weigh you down. What makes this drone stand out is its 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony sensor that allows you to capture breathtaking 12MP photos and high-definition videos at 30 frames per second effortlessly with a wide 118-degree field of view perfect for capturing picturesque landscapes in a snap. Although most settings are set to auto mode, for convenience sake for beginners delving into photography. Flying the aircraft is easy with the SurgeFly technology in place to help you navigate effortlessly through the skies. You can select between a beginner's setting or one of 3 flying techniques to improve your piloting abilities gradually over time. For those seeking a rush and high-speed excitement, in the air the exhilarating sport mode offers thrilling speeds that are sure to satisfy any adventure seeker's cravings. You have the chance to explore creatively with a flight time of up to 62 minutes using 2 batteries. The 4 km transmission range ensures connectivity for capturing distant shots effectively. While the controls of the aircraft may feel a bit too responsive at times and require some adjustment from the pilot's end, this characteristic actually serves as a motivation to refine your flying skills and master maneuvers. It's all part of the excitement to embrace the learning process and improve along the way. Potensic created this drone for those who dream of taking to the skies as pilots in training. The Atom SE blends an array of capabilities with exceptional performance and affordability, making it possible for anyone to soar to greater heights in the world of drone aviation. At number 2. DJI Mini 4K. This budget-friendly model dominates the entry-level market with features that delight both novice and seasoned flyers alike. Experience the 4K Ultra HD features paired with a 3-axis gimbal for stunning cinematic videos under any lighting conditions. Effortlessly capture mesmerizing sunsets while enjoying stable flights even in windy conditions thanks to its level 5 wind resistance rating. Explore heights confidently with brushless motors that enable takeoff at altitudes up to 4,000 meters without any concerns. Unleash your creativity without interruptions thanks to its battery life, which allows for up to 31 minutes of flight time. Although in practical terms anticipate around 21 minutes instead, this is where the Fly More bundle truly excels by including extra batteries to keep you flying for longer periods. This drone is perfect for beginners with its to-use functions such as one-tap takeoff and GPS return to home feature. With in-app resources at your fingertips, you'll be flying like a pro in no time. QuickShots makes it easy to record high-quality videos like a pro by selecting features such as Helix and Drone with a few taps, allowing you to explore your creativity seamlessly. The Mini 4K's battery life may be. Getting extra batteries can easily address that issue and make it a top choice for beginners looking for a drone. At number 3. DJI Avata 2. Ready to take your flying game to new heights? DJI Avata 2 stands out as the best budget FPV drone for newcomers and seasoned users alike. This advanced model impresses with an easy ACRO mode, making it effortless to perform aerial feats without extensive training. You'll find flying intuitive and surprisingly fun, even in tight indoor spaces. This drone stands out thanks to its 1-inch CMOS sensor size that allows you to record amazing 4K videos at 60 frames per second and captivating 4K slow-motion shots at 100 frames per second, bringing out rich details in your videos, beautifully enhanced by a wide 155 degrees field of view that immerses you in breathtaking perspectives. The Enhanced Motion Controller 3 is a standout feature of the drone as it allows for effortless control through hand gestures without the need for complicated buttons to navigate it smoothly. This feature encourages users of all skill levels to feel at ease while operating the device. For those seeking precision in their controls and operations of the drone's functions can opt for the DJ Remote Controller 3 to enjoy full manual control capabilities. With a generous flight duration of 23 minutes at your disposal, to engage creatively in the skies responsibly as it adheres to FAA remote ID regulations. When it comes to this drone's POV content potential and user-friendly design at such an affordable price point outweighs the need to buy goggles separately for a truly enjoyable experience overall. At number 4. DJI Neo. Say hello to effortless aerial photography with the DJI Neo. This tiny drone stands out as your ultimate companion for quick selfies, blending convenience and fun. Weighing in at just 135 g, it's practically the same weight as your smartphone, making it easily portable. You won't need to worry about FAA registration, allowing for hassle-free adventures. Start by launching it from your hand using easy button controls. No need for a remote. Ideal for gatherings, like family barbecues or nature hikes where you want to snap pictures on the go effortlessly and seamlessly with the help of AI tracking and quick shots modes. These amazing functions make filming a breeze by streamlining the process and making you feel like a video content creator in no time at all. There are ways to control it. With voice commands or via the mobile app or using the traditional RC method. Giving everyone a chance to get involved and have a great time at gatherings or events. Capture crystal steady 4K video for seamless footage even in windy conditions or when you're in motion. Moreover, the propeller guards provide coverage to reassure those who may be anxious about flying it.